Which electric wall heater actually works? Simple question, but the answer's not so obvious. Most look the same online, same pictures, same promises, but the real difference shows up when you actually live with them. Today, I'm breaking down the 5 that actually deliver. Product number 1, Ontel Handy Heater Turbo. First up, the Ontel Handy Heater Turbo, a compact plug-in heater that caught my eye for its ultra-low price and no-install setup. At just $38, it's one of the cheapest options out there, and honestly, if you want instant heat in a small space without drilling holes or running wires, this is worth a serious look. The adjustable thermostat goes from 60 to 90 degrees F, and it has a 12-hour timer, great for setting it before bed and forgetting about it. Plus, it's whisper quiet and has auto shut-off, so you're not stressing over safety. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're in a rental, working from a tiny home office, or just need backup heat in a drafty bedroom, this little guy does the job without cluttering your space. Now, some people complained about its actual heating power, saying it struggles in colder rooms or drafty spaces. Here's the thing though, it's not meant to replace your main furnace. It's a spot heater, and for that purpose, it's solid. This is perfect for you if you need fast, affordable warmth in a small area and hate extension cords. Skip this one if you're trying to heat a large living room or expect furnace-level output. For under $40, it's a steal for what it does. Product number 2, DREO Smart Wall Heater WH718S. Now, if the Ontel's lack of mounting bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach, the DREO Smart Wall Heater. At $115, it's a step up in price, but you're getting smart features, better coverage, and real wall-mounted convenience. It's Alexa-compatible, has a remote, and connects to an app so you can schedule heating or adjust temps from bed. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you hate waking up to a cold room, you can set it to warm up 30 minutes before your alarm. The Eco mode learns your habits and keeps temps steady without wasting energy. It covers up to 150 SQ. FT as a primary source or 750 as a supplement. Now, some people complained about the installation, saying the template wasn't perfectly clear and they had to re-drill. Here's the thing though, once it's up, it's rock solid, and the included guide is actually pretty straightforward if you take your time. This is perfect for you if you want smart control, quiet operation, and reliable heat in a bedroom or home office. Skip this one if you're not comfortable drilling into your wall or don't care about app features. Well, for the price, it's a smart, safe, and efficient upgrade. Product number 3, DREO WH719S 120 degrees oscillation. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for larger rooms. The DREO WH719S, priced at $167, it's the most powerful DREO on this list, with a massive 120 degrees vertical oscillation that spreads heat from floor to ceiling. The 1 degrees F precise thermostat means no guessing. You set it to 72 degrees F and it stays there. Plus, the LED dims at night so it won't keep you up. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you've got high ceilings or an open layout, that wide oscillation ensures heat reaches every corner instead of just floating near the ceiling. The app lets you schedule heating cycles, and Alexa integration means you can say, "Alexa, warm up the living room," without getting off the couch. Now, some people complained about the size, saying it looks bulky on the wall. Here's the thing though, it's designed to be mounted, and once it's up, the sleek white design blends in. This is perfect for you if you need strong, even heat in a bigger space and want smart features that actually make life easier. Skip this one if you're tight on wall space or only need heat in a tiny room. It's pricey, but for performance, it's one of the best. Product number 4, HeatStorm HS1500 PHX WIFI. Now, if smart features matter but you want something with a different heating style, check out the HeatStorm HS1500 PHX WIFI. At $160, it's an infrared wall heater that heats objects, not air, so you feel warmth faster, like standing in sunlight. It's Wi-Fi enabled, has a touchscreen remote, and hides the power cord inside when mounted over an outlet. As a main source, here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're in a room with poor insulation or just want instant warmth the second you walk in, infrared cuts through the chill faster than convection. The tip-over shutoff and cool-to-touch design make it safe around pets and kids. Now, some people complained about the app being glitchy, saying it sometimes disconnects or takes time to respond. Here's the thing though, the physical controls work perfectly, and once it's connected, it's reliable. This is perfect for you if you want fast, directional heat and don't mind skipping the oscillation. Skip this one if you need wide room coverage or hate dealing with app setups. For targeted, efficient warmth, it's a strong contender. Product number 5, DREO Bathroom Wall Heater. Finally, if you're tired of freezing showers, the DREO Bathroom Wall Heater is built for one of the coldest rooms in the house. At $193, it's the priciest here, but it's got serious safety upgrades, like an ALCI plug that detects moisture and cuts power instantly. You can even set it to warm up your bathroom 10 minutes before your shower. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Bathrooms are risky for heaters due to humidity, and this one's designed to handle it safely. The detachable filter makes cleaning easy, and the recessed cord keeps things tidy. Now, some people complained about the price, saying it's overkill for a small room. Here's the thing though, if you've ever slipped on a cold tile floor after a shower, you'll appreciate the peace of mind and comfort this brings. This is perfect for you if you want a safe, smart heater for your bathroom or garage. Skip this one if you're just heating a bedroom or don't care about humidity protection. It's an investment, but for safety and comfort, it's unmatched. So which one's right for you? The Ontel is great for tiny spaces on a budget. The first DREO offers smart control for mid-sized rooms. The WH719S dominates larger areas with wide oscillation. HeatStorm gives instant infrared warmth, and the bathroom model is the safest bet for damp spaces. Each has its place, just match it to your room, your routine, and your risk tolerance. If this helped, hit like and subscribe. I'll keep testing the gear that actually makes life warmer.